Guys, we're getting a lot of these buy signals flash up on the SMC bot. As you can see here, we've just got a buy signal flash up on Say. We recently had buy signals flash up on Solana, and I took those longs, and it ended up making around 530%. Even more, I jumped into another Solana long position. Sui is currently 225% in profit. So I have jumped into Say. What is the pattern we see here, guys? Layer 1s are pumping. Solana, Sui, Say has started to pump. These are layer 1s. What we know about layer 1s, we know a lot of people are getting fed up with Ethereum. A lot of people are no longer interested in Ethereum. The on-chain data shows that Ethereum is doing very, very poorly when compared against chains like Solana in terms of active users. And that's what I mainly look at, active users, chains that people are going to. But we also know, what do we know about Say? Donald Trump's company has been accumulating Say, okay? They've been buying, WLF have been buying Say, and we've just got this buy signal on the SMC bot. And it's only just confirmed, right? It's literally only just confirmed yesterday. So we're very, very early to this. We come back down, we're retesting the support. So are we about to see a move from Say? We also have this green indicator, which usually indicates the start of an uptrend. As you can see here on the SMC legend, bright green indicates start of an uptrend. And I want to see us push up from here. Usually what happens after you get these buy signals, you get these very, very fast moves to the upside. The same thing actually happened with Sol. Let's go and have a look at Sol USDT. So Sol USDT, let's go to the daily. After we had the buy signal, we came back, we retested, and then we saw this massive move to the upside. And after we had same thing happen on Sui. So if we go and look at Sui on the daily, look, after we had the buy signal from the SMC bot, we had this massive rally to the upside. So there's definitely an interest in layer 1s right now. Maybe off the back of the Ethereum situation. I'm interested in USA-based projects. The SEC are meeting this week to discuss crypto regulation. They said that they're going to have crypto as one of their main priorities. And we can imagine that there's going to be some fast moves with this news and adoption. And maybe we're seeing that get front run right now, right, with a lot of these layer 1s. So are we about to see the same thing happen on, Say, guys, not financial advice, do your own research. Investing in crypto is highly risky. This is just my strategy. This is just what I'm doing. You can lose all your money in crypto, but I am placing a bet on Say following the rest of these layer 1s. I'm also interested in other layer 1s as well, because I'm seeing buy signals from the SMC bot flash up left, right, and center. Do I need to trade and buy everything? Absolutely not. I'm going to buy, in my opinion, I think are the best projects that are oversold the most, right? I think Say from all-time high is down like 90%, guys, which is absolutely insane. If we are in a bull run, right, a lot of people will say we're still in a bull run. Those kind of moves you don't see very often, right? It topped out at 113. Let me just work out how much of a pullback that is. 113 down to 13 cents, 88%, guys, absolutely insane. Usually you do see pullbacks in altcoins in a bull or bear by around 60%, 50%, but to see a pullback of almost 90% is unheard of in a bull run. Does that mean we're going to fly back to $1.13? I'm not saying that's going to happen, guys, especially as we're in the last year, in my opinion, the last year of the bull run. But to come down 90% in a very short amount of time with interest in layer 1s, with a bullish SEC, with a bullish crypto establishment, it's oversold in my opinion, right? It's really oversold. Do we see buy pressure on the weekly? We also see a lot of buy pressure coming in on the weekly as well. So looking very good for a buy here. I'm planning to hold this. I'm going to trade this with BTC, right? So if BTC keeps moving up, we might see it lift altcoins up and bring a lot of the market up, especially altcoins like, Say, that are down 85%, 90%, that are massively oversold, right? Any sort of interest in Bitcoin coming back up might flood some capital back into altcoins. So yeah, I think it's definitely a play for now. Going to see how it goes over the next few days or weeks. I'll try to keep you guys posted with what I'm doing. Don't forget, if you want to get involved with us, head over to my X account. You can see here the link to join, so you can see all of my buy and sell alerts, all of the trades I'm taking in real time. So you can see here I posted on April, purchased 5% into Solana at 102. I think it went up 50% shortly after. And I also took a long position on Solana as well. You can see my entry price 101. This was at 133, so it ended up going a lot higher. I took profits and I entered another trade. And, I'm not sitting in these trades forever, guys. I am taking profits on the way up and taking profits on the way down when I'm shorting. But yeah, head over there if you want to get involved with us and follow my X account. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video to stay up to date with the latest. Until then, I will catch you in the next one.